If you guys have never been to Cabela's, I'm gonna always suggest that you guys take yourself and your homeschoolers here, because most of the Cabela's, they have like a little aquarium with fish, and your kids get to feed the fish. So you guys are gonna get an opportunity to see my kids feed the fish today. Yeah, and let's see what they got going on. Sometimes they have some good sales, but I ain't gonna lie, their stuff is pretty expensive here, depending on what you're gonna get. Girls, look over here. Look at them looking so cute. Oh my God, look at the clouds in the background. That's so cute too. Wow. All right. So this is the one out in Buddha. Look how big this place is, and it does have an up and down stairs. It is wheelchair accessible, so you guys don't have to worry about that if that's an issue in your family. All right, they're gonna see if they can get some fish food. So you just take your kids up to the customer service and you just have them ask. Sure. Let me see what you get. So here's the little fish food. All right, so let's go that way. Let's show them the aquarium. And Abby's over there with her phone. She wants to be a content creator also. Those are the two things she loves, art and content creation. So she's like recording for her own channel. You guys, look how beautiful this is. Save your coins on an aquarium and bring your kids here. I'm just saying, it's free. $3.99, as they say. It's not like a super huge aquarium, but hey, I'll count it as a field trip. Look at all the pretty fish in here. And you guys know, if you guys want to get a fishing license, you can definitely do that here at Cabela's, and you can get all the fishing gear you want. Me and the girls and their dad, we are going fishing on Saturday, and it's supposed to be like a whole community fishing day out thing. So I'm excited. They're gonna teach the girls how to fish. They're gonna have all the equipment, so we don't have to purchase any of our own. You guys, look, they have little kids fishing poles. They're $17.99 up to $24.99. So this is cute if you have small children, which I'm sure most of you guys watching do. Okay, so this is the section where your homeschoolers will be able to feed the fish. And as you guys can see, they gave us a container about this big. So it's enough there. And you can see as they're throwing it, y'all see the fish in there eating? So little kids love this. I mean, I love this, and I'm a whole adult, so what am I saying? But yeah, your kids will love this. So look, Cabela's does actually have a whole clearance section. So remember, I was talking to you guys about this because I was telling you guys about their prices. They even have some trunks on sale. So if you guys don't have your summer gear yet, you might want to come here and get your swim trunks and your swimsuits and shorts and stuff. But when I was talking to you guys about the prices, let's see. So these shorts used to be $70, are now $51. So that's what I mean when I say they're a little pricey, because who's paying $51 on some shorts for sale? So my husband has been talking about going camping, and he means camping, like not glamping. And so I was thinking about maybe taking some of this, because what if you don't catch no food? I can't be hungry. Have you guys tried this before? Let me know if you have and if it tastes good, because I don't know. I've never had any one of those before. They have really cool exhibits for animals. It's very educational because you can read up and learn about the different animals. And this is just one side. They have so many different sides throughout the store where you guys can like walk around and see the different animals. So this is something else your small children will absolutely love. I would say good for kids maybe 12 and under is what I would say.